Good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo Day Trading. Welcome to my live stream. Good morning. Hope you had an amazing night last night. We're going to have a great trading day. Why? Because we do that every single day. Today is going to be a good show. I'll talk a little bit about why and how you may be getting burned by your broker. Twitter is on fire today. Not on the upside, it's on fire. It's down 17% and 6 points right now. Let's head over to the main screen and take a look at it. Look at that, 32.20. We just bought that thing right here at the bottom, right down here. And I'll show you the trade. We're out of it right now, but I'll show you the trade. Head over to the day trading room. Say hello to the team. Let me scroll on up right here. So we have this couple nice ones today. I like Brad Frogger mentioned GBT and Bitcoin yesterday morning and picked up some Bitcoin yesterday. Really nice. Twitter's getting some institutional buys pre-market. And then the news on Twitter was the stock tumbles 20% after the company says advertising bugs are weighing on earnings. Twitter Inc. shares were tanking pre-market Thursday after bugs in the company's ad platform led to misses across the board in its financial metrics, even as user growth proved more rapid than expected. And that's why the stock is down. So we started trading it right here. This is just a pop right now, which we're going to look to probably maybe trade at the open through $4. But our really main focus right now is just on Twitter. And right now we're going to do a trade on it. He's looking at it, buys from $31. And he's made $410 already this morning. We're in a trade right here that I want to take an easy trade on back and forth through $32 or $33, one of the two. Small one right here on my radar. Symbol is NLS. It's called Nautilus. And it may make a move to $2 today. Symbol's NLS. And he likes bingo. Look at bingo. Bingo's 115 by 16 on 1 million shares. It's okay. Are you getting burned by your stock market? Is it burning you? Because if you're in Jason Bond picks, they pick Twitter as calls. I could show you the newsletter right back here. And I've been talking about, we haven't heard anything about the pick and the calls. Here, I'll show you right here. Let me just do a search for Twitter. Right here. So here's the newsletter. Right here. This guy, The Weekly Money Multiplier by Jeff Bishop. You've seen him on Twitter and on YouTube, making the plays. This was on October 7th. I alerted Twitter as a bullseye trade, and it was good to us, so we're in for round 2. Twitter's pulled back. It's finding support at 40, and I think it bounces from there. Has not gone up one day since that pick. See how his 13 SMA is about to cross? No. It's what I call my money pattern. Money losing pattern. He's got his eyes on the October 40 calls at 250. So when you put $2,500, that's gone. 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 There you go. So you never hear about that. So you're getting burned by your mentor? You're getting burned by the stock market? Not fun. If you're in a trading room and the guy only trades stocks that are $10 and below and won't look to trade anything else, you're doing yourself a misjustice, man. That's his wheelhouse. He's able to find small float stocks that trade several 100,000 shares. He buys 10,000, 20,000, and then he alerts it to the room, and the thing makes a run. Small group of people that are in get in here. Mostly everybody else is buying up here, and this equals this. And everyone gets left holding the bag except the moderator, because he's not able to adapt and trade Twitter. Why can't you trade Twitter? It's the best trading stock ever today. It just bounced right here from 31.50 where we bought it to 32.50, 1 point in fifth. Why wouldn't any? This is what day trading is, folks. Right here, Twitter, 10 million shares, catching the bottom on a dip now, under 32, and then we're going to right back up to 32. Right here, 32.02 entry, 32.02. 32.02 entry right here, stopping station. Entry, yeah, there you go, 32.02, Twitter trade. I give it to you on, so because you guys are delayed on YouTube, 20 seconds makes a lot of difference, man. Makes a lot of difference when you just got a little bit of time. Right now it's 9:07:02, but on YouTube it's delayed. So we're gonna catch it right here at the stopping station. Give me a little subscribe down there, folks. Give me a little likey. Yeah. Give me a little likey. So we're in this baby right here, 31.95. Clip a little 100 right there. And let me show you what we did right there. So we nailed this first one right here on Twitter at 31.75. He came in, and it's a signal. We're gonna look to get it at 31.51 with a move back to that signal. So here it is. Look, 31.51 filled. Then it goes 55, 58, 60, 65, 68, 70. Right there. Going to go through 32 possibly on trade 2 for 2. And there it goes. And we're going to look to do work through 21. So, yeah, it may shine 34. Twitter will be a trader's dream today. Absolutely it is. Absolutely. Here it goes, 32.05. Yield 67. Beyond. Oh, damn, it's down 46. Damn. Thought it would be up today. I'd love to see Beyond rip at the open big time. Microsoft 139, AMAT 153, and Roku 130. 3 good picks. PayPal 105, UV 21, and UGAS 13. 6 good picks out right now in the Mojo Day Trade Room. And I just did a sick pick on that one. Check out this testimonial. I watched your video last night. You're a natural performer who's more entertaining to learn from than the sitcom Larry David legends exposing the morons in the day trading community. A real pleasure to watch. Keep up the content, Mike. That's why I do it. So we're in at 32.02. Here it goes. 32.06, 32.09. Dude, a dime to 15 is good. The commissions are free. Take it right now. 32.11, 32.10. 32.14. Go ahead, take a profit. A profit's a profit. We'll take dimes 10 times. That's like making $1. Absolutely. Absolutely. You can't go wrong taking a profit, guys. Can't go wrong taking a profit. So take a profit. Let's look for some more trades. It's going to be a great trading day. Why? Because it's great every single day. That's why. So let me show you right here the swing trade newsletter that just went out to my subscribers with 3 new swing picks for today. Would you like to see that? It went out this morning. 3 picks inside my newsletter. right here. So I'd love for you to be a subscriber. Hi, Mike D on Twitter. Nice to see you, buddy. On YouTube, nice to see you. So this picks went out Thursday. I'm going to share them with you on YouTube, to my subscribers and my followers. And this newsletter is $149 subscription per month. You also get access to my swing trading course on the Ken Slim system. So I got 3 picks below. I'm going to go over these on the Mojo Show today, so tune in. Bitcoin has come down from 14,000 and is at a 50% discount. I've been waiting patiently through a long drop. I feel this is a good buying opportunity. It's teetering to head lower now, so be patient. When Bitcoin heads back through 7,500 is when the trend lower will start to reverse. It's now at 74.84, and GBTC, the Bitcoin Trust stock, is at 850. You're going to look to do an entry between 825 to 50, just like a small little get your toe in the water. Get you ready for your other foot to get in. If lower, at 790 to 805, and I would just put the other couple of toes in, not the other foot. But if it goes higher, 890 to 9, I'd put the whole foot in. So dabble the toe in if it goes lower, because, at least you're in it. But put the whole foot in if it goes higher. Stop loss, when you got your feet in, is 10%. So don't let it get to your top of your knee, and then you're out. Jump out of the pool, get the hell out. You had your feet in on the side, you're done. But if it continues to go through 8, 9, then you can dibble dabble and smooth into the pool and swim around with GBTC as it goes 9, 10, 11, 12, and then chilly chally on your little floaty with a little drinky drink and watch them profits roar as you give me a little testimonial saying, Mike told me to do that, because look, he even drew a line on the chart. He even drew a line, because look, if you see right here, look guys, it's this, see? It's the car that I draw, see? It's the car, dudes. You got the nice grill here and stizzle. You got the nice exhaust blaring out. It's gonna rip right there, boys. It's gonna rip. You got him right here. You got him right here. You got the engine right there, ready to rock and bockin'. That thing's gonna rock it, man. That's the car. And then here you got the GBTC 855 chart right here with the buy zone. Right there. See, look, buying in that zone. So I like that one. And then here's the NLS, pick number 2. It's called Nautilus. Last price is $1.80. Entries $1.70 to $1.80. If it goes lower, we're going to go 151 to 155 for entry 2. If it goes higher, entry 2 is 190 to 95. Stop loss after entry 2, if higher, is 10%, protecting the profit. If lower, boom, no harm, no foul, 10%. Target $2 plus. And since I'm 80 to 90% accurate, you're looking really hot to trot on that. Nautilus, big spike, insider buys right here, doing 29.7 million in the float, 43% owned by funds, which is the perfect formula of water and sugar and to make the pot boil. Okay, perfect combo. Not too much water, not too much other. It's perfect heat, perfect funds, setup, boom, to rock and roll on that number right there, which is 29.7 million and 43% owned by funds. There's the insider buying right here. And then you have a analyst expect 50 cents in a loss, then 62 cents, and then loss of 20. So they're going to grow at 300%, and earnings are coming out. So this thing could really make a rocket, and it traded 7 million shares yesterday. So if it gets some mojo on the upside, it'll go through 2 today. And then pick number 3 is Adamas Pharmaceuticals at 72 cents. I've been really, really good at picking stocks at 70 cents and having them go $1 or $2. Absolutely. This one's 72 cents. Entry at 70 to 75. Right there. If lower, 51 to 55. We know the numbers where they stop, just like Twitter stopped at 51. We add higher, 90 to 95. Stop loss after entry 2 is the same 10%. Target's over $1. And you could see 4 really nice quarters. They did 3.8 million in sales, then 4.2 million, then 4.9 million, then 5.8 million. I already know what the next quarter is. 6.2 million. Duh. Versus 3.8. They're going to do a loss of 27 cents for the year. Divide 28 by 4. You're looking at like 6-cent loss per quarter. 6-cent loss versus a 21-cent loss right there is a 400% gain. So next box, they're going to go from 47% to probably 400%. Everything is priced in this stock on Adamus at 72 cents. It could really fly. It's got a nice medium float of 61.4 million, 9% owned by funds, and it looks really nice. ADMP is the symbol. And those are my 3 picks that went out to my subscribers for the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. Thank you very much. Thank you, man. Appreciate that.
Yes. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Well, yes.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah!
All right. Let's see what's hot and what's not this morning, shall we? We got plenty of time. So what's hot this morning is APOP. I got my boys down there. They're sleeping. You want to see? My boys. Look. Hi, buddies. The Kings. The black and white one, his name is Bobo Snare. The brown one, his name is Mr. Remington Stewart. Woohoo! The King Dachshunds. Absolutely, they are so cute. So let's see what's hot and what's not. I know they are. Here we go. Twitter, 3192 by 95, did a nice dip stone. Under 32 once again, because it just went to 32.40. Mojo's all over it through Heinz 32. That's the play. This is trade 4 for 4. Heinz, it's all we're doing today. Like a little bird. Tweet. Sold, baby. Right there, 32.09. Touchy 11. There you go. 19, like clockwork. BJ, isn't that unbelievable how it works like that in the room? New traders are seeing the Mojo system in real time, live, when I'm teaching it at night and then saying it's going to go here and stop and then go up and then go there and go down. It's to the T. I'm telling you. Vital information. I got Otis. What's up, Otis? Welcome to the Mojo room today. Listening to me. And then I got my regulars. Jill, welcome, Pro Trader Jill, to the room, everybody. Welcome. And we got back in the room. Who else we got back in the room? Hopper, he's been with me for a long time, 5-6 years. BJ's doing great. Joe in the room today. Alan in the room today. What's going on, Jill? Absolutely. Otis, what's up, Otis? Nice to have you, buddy. And then I got the regulars, and then I got these guys down here. Grasshopper again. And Katya. And Worm. Dude, I've spoken to these guys so many times. Why do they keep on coming back? He's back. I'll show you. Like Astrid right here. Look how many times I've spoken to him. Hi. Yes, I'm back again. Gave you picks there. Amazing. I gave him 5 from 3 to 10.50, and he's still What is he doing? I hate to do it, but if you don't answer back, you're going to get booted and blocked from the room and never come back. And that's Astrid. So I'm going to take Astrid right here, and I'm going to ban him and boot him from the room. So you left click as a moderator, and you ban. And I'm going to ban him. See, I watched Thor. You watched Thor yesterday, guys, on TV? Thor was sweet yesterday on TV. I watched it last night. It was great. Astrid's gone. Nice move right there on Twitter, 3230. Great trade on Twitter right there, boys. Great trade on Twitter. So right here, we got in on some Twitter. You guys is really squeezed. It's tight. Last few in 12.53. Lots of volume. You guys is 12.82 for surely going into 13 today. Easily. Love you guys today through 13. The risk is a nickel. The reward is 50 cents. And it's in rail grind. Switch to the 5-minute. So we'll switch to the 5-minute chart. We'll trend trade it. That means you buy the open and you sell the close. Every time it makes a new high, every 2 hours, add more shares. It'll go higher all day. It's a 4-time buy. Over 9:30 to 4 p.m. If closes at HOD, which it may, and continue tomorrow, you got a 15% to 25% win possible. And on that kind of stock is $2. So your risk is 10 cents. Your reward is $2. So you're risking 10. If it doesn't work, big deal. But if it works, you'll make over the next day or two, $2. And that's that one trend trade right there. On the you guys trend trade. $12.80 to $14. Risk a dime. That's a what is that? 20 to 1? Yeah. That's 20 to 1, right? I think so. Yeah, so that'd be unbelievable. So let's see, we got a Jet Ski James, Grasshoppers in the house. Appreciate that, but not yet. Timing's off for me currently. I've been giving him picks for so long, so he's gone too. You know, you're not going to be people are all subscribed. Go hang out somewhere else when the timing's better for you. Johnny Cat, I talked to you before. Yep, trick or treat, buddy. Hi and welcome to the chat room. Hi. Since January of 2018, Johnny Cat. Ozzy. How many times I've spoken to Ozzy? Once. He told me he's a day trader. Hi, Ozzy. I have to talk to him today. Who else down here? Roy Trader. Trick or treat, gave him that one right there. SCS, I gave him SCS from 3 to 26, and he didn't join. What do you think of SCS? He didn't join, dude. Can you believe it? How much do I have a screenshot of my call? He's a mole. Goodbye, Roy. When you're banned, you can't come back. Slow climbing. Didn't answer me either. I'll give him some time. And that's it, man. So get off the pot or poop. You know what I like doing to him. this. See, they seem so nice and innocent. They seem so nice and innocent when they come in the room. But then after taking a closer look, you're like, what? See? So nice. So nice, right? Look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get out of my room, you zombie dead pepper. Gotta like that, like that. Bum, 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 bum. Now I'll probably get copyright action on that action. So love you guys, man. Love you guys. Trading Twitter like a champion through 32, which we did from 31.51. It's the last trade. Right there, baby. Last trade. I even posted a screenshot in the room. Right there. See, if you're in the room, you're going to get the signal. You're like, dude, am I going to get the signal? Well, look. 31.50. I told you. Look, filled. That means you're buying it. You got filled. Then it goes higher, 51, 58, 60, 65, 68, with a signal at 70 and blows right through that. Goes to 85 and starts selling through 31.90 and 32. Awesome trade. We're going to do 20 of those today. 20. So everyone should have a tracking sheet ready to go. Every single pro trader should have a Mojo Day Trading tracking sheet ready to rock and roll. I'll give you one right here. If you don't have one, ask and you'll have one. Oh, where is that? PTS. So I put one in the room right here. You click on this and you download it. And what happens is it'll open up into one of these tracking sheets right here, and you'll record all your trades on the tracking sheet. It's printable. You'll do 20 trades, your wins, your losses, and I want to see that sheet at the end of the day. Every student, take a picture of it with your phone and send it to me on my text. All right, here we go. Market's open, no screen share, obviously. 32 Hines, here we go. It's coming down, let it come down. 31.95, I'll tell you when. 31.92, 31.89, now 31.90, 31.89, Twitter, Hines 32, number one. Signal at 32, signal taken at 32, signal at 32.02, signaled adding at 32.02. Add at 32.02 or wait for me. You guys 1284. You guys entry trend trade. Here we go, 32 bucks. Twitter. A lot of sizing behind that right there. They're going to take it and pop it. Highs 32.12, 32.12. We've already seen 32.50 in the pre. I'm going to give it 2 more seconds. 2 more seconds. A lot of hiding behind 32. They're going to do a stop loss from 32 to 70 on here from all the people that are buying. So we're going to take a half out at 32. Half out. Good job. See, I told you. Told you. Now we get it right here. 3177. 3170. I told you. That's the power of Mojo and what I do. Filled right there. 3157. 3151. Right there. Filled. 3157, guys. Filled. 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 That means entered in long. Filled. There's a gonzo at 3150. Patience. Gonzo, 3150. Gonzo, big seller, 3150. We're filled at 57. Patience. He's got to hold that. See, hold right there. Entry number 2 coming right here. 3127 to 32. Double it up 2 times. So if you bought 100, now you're buying 200. Get ready for 700. And then another 700. Now filled 3118, 700. Even right here, 3140, even. 44 is even. Profitable now, 48. Profitable, selling half into 48. Half gone right here. Half gone, 48. Quarter more, sell 55. Sold 55. Quarter more, 55. Got a quarter left. 200 shares left out of the 1,000. Rebuy right here, 500. Stopping station, 2120, 3118 again. I mean, not 21. 3118, 3122. Filled 200. Long 400, 600 to go right here. And then another 600. 3107 to 12. Filling right here, signal at 11. Gone. 21. Profitable right here. Bam. 24, 25, 30. Selling right here. Selling right here. All these picks are going to my traders in the room. Look, every one of them. You hear me on the mic. Look, 3190, 32 adding right here. Out. Out. Rebuy 7 filled right there at 57. Sold right there. 700 and 700 at 18. Sold 44. 48 was profitable and half gone. Have 400 shares right now. Sold right there at 55. 200 more than 500. And I'm giving everyone telling what to buy and how to buy it right there. 3107 to 12 right there. We nailed it. It's 3140 right now and we're selling. 3140 right now, ripping. Coaching everyone exactly how to trade. This is what your mentor needs to do. He doesn't take a pick, make $8,000, then make a video and show you how great he is, and then most of the people freaking lost in the room. This is what the people pay the subscription for in the room. From to listen to me on the mic, to watch my screen when I'm showing it, but I ain't now, so they're listening intently and watching my picks, exactly what to do. So you got right now 200 left. Always hold a position out of 1,000. 3127, 200. Filled. Filled, 3125. You guys add right through the 1285 to the 90. Add number 2 for your trend trade. Here goes Twitter, selling right here, 31.34, just 100, sold 100. Come on, baby. Signals at 29. Take it. Come on. Come on. Signal at 25. He's driving it lower. He's driving it lower. 24. Drive it. Lower. Come on. Lower. Hit the rim. Come on. There you go. Ready, Mojo. Ready, Mojo. Same signal at 22. 19 is the stop. We get it at 20. No even right here. 21. Not even waiting a penny. Now. Another entry. Told you. I didn't even want to wait. I knew it was a trick because I saw size coming in at 19. I wasn't going to wait for 18. I'll take it right there at 20 and risk the 2 cents. Filled. Get ready for number 2. 31.10 is the bottom. We're going right here again. 31.16, 600. 31.19, 400. Sweet, selling 31.24 and 29. Selling 31.24, 31.29. See how it goes in the room? Look, you guys adding at 85, adding number 2, 31.34, sold. Now we're going to get it again, 31.21, 31.16, adding at 19, going to sell 24.29. So get ready, okay? Get ready. Here it goes. 31.19, ripping. Here we go. Come on now. Give me that 20.24. Hold your head right there. There we go. Sold 24. Sold 24. You see him come take it? Sold 24. Sold 34. Sold 34. Sold 37. Yeah, boy. 200 left. 200 left. 200 left again. 200 left again. Filling out the sheet perfectly today. Doing amazing trading. Powerful. If you like my trading, I'm transparent. You don't need to see no statements. You hear me. It's real time. We're selling right here. Selling right here. 31.49. 31.59. Getting flat right here. Flat here. That means ending the trade right here. 31.59. We'll do another one after this dip. Great trade. 31.59. They took it flat. It's 45. Yes, Mojo. Great trading. Woo! Get ready again. Get ready again. We got 55, 59, 20 cents from here is right now 39. 39. Right here. Entry. Entry. 31.39 filled. Filled. I'm taking it a step higher now. I'm not waiting for the 20s. It's going to go through 50 now. Here it goes. 31.50 plus. Sell, sell. 48. Start here. 49. Sell. Sell. Sold. 52. Sold 55. Come on now. Give them a little more. Good job, guys. Perfect in the Mojo room. Flat. Filled for a buy at 31.39. Filled. Selling through 50. Right here. Sold 52.55. Beautiful trading. And let's get right back to it again. Told you we're going to do 20 plus trades today easily on this stock.
Well, yes.
Come on, baby. Give me 60. Come on now. Nice trading. Great job, Vic. I'm glad that you like that. 3150, we're cresting right now. Possible move right here above 50. Belong at least 200. At least 200 for the crest right through here up through 75. We've already been to 3250 today. So just be ready, man. That's what we're looking for, a crest. Otherwise, we're going to dip dive the dip again, which it looks like we're going to get that opportunity. I'm really excited about that. Right here, 3138 again. Bouncing off 3138 again. Entry right here. Here we go. Fill, filled, filled, fill by the ass. 3139 filled. 3139 filled. 3139 filled. Was selling up at 50 again for another dime ski. Get ready. Here it goes. 3149. Here we go. Sold 3149. Sold 3149 for a sweet dime. Sold 3149 for a sweet dime. Sold 3149 for a sweet dime. Yeah, boy. How you guys doing in the Mojo room? Mr. Otis, you liking the day. Mr. FCX10, you liking the day. That's what we do in the Mojo room. Don't mess with the mojo. Telling you. I got some good things to show you today too, man. Some really cool things. You want to see one of them? You want to look at this one? How about this? Look at this I found. I found this level 2. Look at this. I found this level 2 in this 4-minute trade for 40 cents. Do you like to trade like this? Do you see the signal there? This was in 2014 on October 17th, 7 days ago, 5 years ago. And here we go, holding 200 shares of Twitter right now at 31.66. Thank you very much. So this signal was at $4. You see it? And it went right there. From 417 to 421 in 4 minutes, it went up 45 cents right through that large signal. I've been doing the level 2 like this. You miss it if you don't watch the level 2, baby. I've been doing this for so long. 100 shares left. Sold 31.69. They took it. 31.74. 50 shares sold. 50 shares left. 50 shares left, folks. 31.74. It made that nice crest right through there, as I mentioned to you. If you're not trading Twitter and your room has a lot of people in there and you're trading a small cap piece of shit like APOP, you got burned on the pre-market. You weren't fast enough. You got burned. Your moderator bought it right here. He told you to buy it about right here. It went up a second. If you didn't buy it, he sold it right there. And you'll see his video today. You're in it here. You're hoping it's praying. It's going to come back up. You missed the sell there, and it's freaking gone. You're stuck like a rug in a bug, baby, like a poop in a dupe. You've been duped. You've been duped. So you know what? I'll take your pain right here. 327 to 32. We're taking Ross's pain right here. He'll show he traded this today and made money. We'll take his room's pain and all their losses money right here. At 327 to 32, APOP. Adding at 35 plus. Selling into 50. APOP. Because that's what's happening right now. as we speak in the Warrior Trading Room, because this is the only stock that's available for them to do. And it's called a pump. He bought here all the moderators, the inner circle. This is the inner circle right here. This is you, and this is the room. And now you're paying. You're getting stopped out right here at stopping station, and I'm taking all your money. I'm taking all your money. Thank you. 343, 342, 342. Here we go, baby. Taking their pain. 344, 346. They're buying it back. Selling to them now. Sell now. I'll take that pop. I'll take that pop right there. Selling here. Half position taking half the position at 44. Thank you very much. Sold 44. Looking right back at Twitter, putting him on my down screen right here at APOP, right down there, and Twitter on my up screen right there at 31.90. Yeah, boy. 32 on Twitter with 50 shares left. Yeah, 50 shares left at Twitter. Yeah, boy. I'm adding back in right here if it goes freaking 32. You better believe it, 31.99. Yeah, mama. Bam, Mojo. That's how we trade. That's how we trade. That's how we trade. I want to do John Cena, man, but they always block my video when I do John Cena. You know? He is my man. Added. Sold, added at 99, sold right there quickly at 32.04. Selling more at 32.07 and 32.09. Heinz. Every single time. You got the Heinz, baby. You got the Heinz. That's what I'm talking about. Sold 32.09. Sold 400 left. 400 shares left. Trail stop 99. That's the cost. So you can't. That's what I told you yesterday, Mr. Saywin. You can't lose. Right back to your cost. You don't ride that thing down to 31.50 when it was just 32 because you missed a sale.
Buy a high? Boy, she'll catch up slow. You mean your mom doesn't buy a high? No question, she. Wait, taste it. What do you think? Can I stay with Mom too?
Rich Heinz ketchup. The taste that's worth the wait.
Beautiful. 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 You want to see another really freaking cool one, dude? Look at this stock. Remember we were trading it the other day? Remember it came up in 2014 on October 10th. This stock iBio was $1.80 right there. And the signal that's going down. See it? The 101. See it? 101. He goes to 185. He's shorted here with an average of 185. And then it goes right down, blows through the signal. It takes 4 minutes on the downside. See that, Mojo? Upside, downside. I've been doing this for so long, dudes. So long. So long. Taking their pain on APOP. They freaking hate us, dude. I hope they all watch my video today and say, dude, you freaking nailed my ass. I lost my money on APOP. You made my money on APOP. You taught me so much from watching that video on the level 2 in your room. No one teaches like that, dude. Nobody. Here's some testimonials right here. Enjoyed last night. Enjoyed lesson 3 so much. I'm watching them again. That was yesterday. This is yesterday. The Marabuzu sounds so simple. These breadcrumbs I've been able to piece together. Amazing. All right, Twitter, here we go. Screwing around. I'm waiting and waiting. Twitter, baby. Here we go. Come on down. Come on down, baby. Come on down. Nice sell on APOP. Great job. We're going to do it again. 335 if APOP. Put a bid in. Bid. Bid APOP. APOP bid 335. We sold 55. It's a 20-cent diff. I'm looking for a move down here. I don't know if we're going to get a 3-bar. We are in a rail grind on the 1. I'm going to switch to the 5-minute right now. In the 5-minute, we're looking sickly, sickly, sickly sweet. We got a lot of really nice action right here above 36, down to a box of 90. So right here, we're in a box, guys. They got this thing boxed right here. This thing could rip right here to 11, go right to 24. It Hines 32 10 times. I have a new trader, BJ, in the room. One of his best days ever. Filled! APOP filled! APOP filled, guys. APOP filled. We take their pain again. They bought us at 55. We're taking their stops again at 30, dude. Holy shit. Holy shit. We're taking that whole room's money. Dude, I haven't looked once, I promise you. I don't know what they're trading. I just know it's the hottest stock. I know how the rooms are trading. I've been following this shit for years, man. There's a whole room trading that stock right now. Every wave they're wrong on the upside, and they all catch it getting stopped on the downside. Holy mama. 300 shares of Twitter long at 92. 32.19. Matta's room. Yeah, it's another room. That's all over that shit, Vic. Absolutely. He's either making 50,000 or losing 50,000, dude. You know, no question about that. And more like 10. And Ross is swinging for the hills now, too, every day. All these guys are. Because they got no system, man. You don't do that. You don't do that. You don't go into the casino one day and be going to the freaking $100 table when you're only playing the dollars, man. You don't go to the slot machines when you're playing the penny slots or the quarters, and you don't go to the freaking $10 slot machine and start throwing in $10 bills, man. Sick. Adding 36 APOP. Add APOP 36. Add 38. Add 39. Only. There's a huge buyer in there at 34. He ain't getting filled right now. He disappeared. He went to 35. He's getting filled. A huge buyer. See him at 34? The low is 25, so you're totally safe. Totally safe. Right at stopping station, man. Look at, he double banged it down. They're all shorting it down because it's a down tick. And they're doing automatic market order shorts, and it's ticking the bid down. The firms are popping people out of APOP again right here. Look. Is an auto close bar right here. Just like that one was, this one was. Where's the 8? Let me get back to this one here. Hold on. This is the 5-minute. Let me go to the 2-minute. These right here were the first. Right here. And it went up. This is the next one right here. and it already went higher there, but you're going to see it come higher again. It's got a nice little base going on in here. See that? Little ha-ha, baby. Ha-ha, baby. Mojo's long. Mojo got filled at 27. Mojo just sold at 38. Mojo sold at 38. 8-pop. 338. Yeah. Buying it in the 28s. Come on, baby. There you go. They're taking it. So nice. Here goes Twitter. How many shares you got left? Guys, Twitter, how many shares you got left? 1,000. Nice. Nice. In rail grind. Expertise. Definitely don't get greedy. Selling around that 1,000 for sure. You got a dip down right here on the rail grind. It's showing weakness. Showing weakness on the rail grind right there. You could see it on Twitter. Look, it's a little weak right here. It's crossing down on lower volume. On lower volume. See it? Hey, what's going on, Bill? Nice to see you, man. Bill T, I think he used to be a member of the team one time. Nice job here, crossing through STO right now on that red bar right here. Should be totally out of Twitter. Let's see where they sold. Oh, nice. 18. Beautiful. It's 08. Nice. Great job. Super job. APOP still 339. APOP still 339. Hey guys, thank you for watching the Mojo Show. If you like my trading, you can always check out mojodaytrading.com. You can always subscribe to my video by clicking in the bottom corner down there. I think it's if you're looking at it, it's the right corner of the screen. Yeah, click down there and give me a thumbs up. And if you like the videos, that's what you do, thumbs up. Because right now, APOP is 350. Look, 344. 344. APOP taking their pain again. Sold. 343. Sell it up there, right there. Come on, 343. Come and take it, baby. Come on, take it. Take it. Take it. Tesla, Heinz, and back and forth through 300. Look at this one bar right here. Look at the move right here through 300, how much that was. It did it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. 5th time could be a charm. Could go test the top of that right there and even test the top of this one's again. Tesla's hot to trot, dude. Tesla's hot to trot. Absolutely. I'm not getting off focus on Twitter. PCG got destroyed. Crohn's hanging in there. Yo, Saywin. Beyond. Beyond, dude. Look. It went to 100, bro. It went to 130. Did you sell any? You got your gift given. You better have sold some of that. Nice. Good job, dude. Proud of you, man. Now you can buy it back at 97.80. Now you can buy it back at 97.80 because you're listening to me now. APOP, Alan likes it right here. 327 to 28. APOP again, guys. APOP, it's going to go to 18. It's going lower. Signal at 25. 325 signal. Let's just wait a second. You can take an entry right here at 27 just to be safe that you're in. Okay? But I see it going lower. I see it going lower. So let's just be patient. Okay? A serious auto close, guys. There are guys that still have bigger accounts that are stuck at 350, 360, 370 that could withstand a larger loss. And they're going to look to take them out right now through the low of 325. How do I know that? How do I know that? And I'm saving you all a lot. How do I know that? How do I know? Exactly. 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 Because I've been there. Exactly. Don't get tricked. I'd rather them trick me at 334. I'm in at 27. I'd rather them trick me by not having a big position and only making a smaller profit than taking a large regular position and then dumping it down into 325 and I was right. 98.70 on Beyond. Beyond's going up for you there, Mr. Saywin Maywin. Loving it. Loving it. Used to only short the 8-pop tights. Yeah, and your ass used to cringe, man. Every time you used to short it, probably. Your ass used to cringe. Especially if you're in stocks like this one, SES. Remember that one? You remember SES, right? So you remember that on October 14th when that SES took that big drop, right? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. So we're in Twitter now at 3177 stopping station right here. New entry, new trade happening with the Mojo, right? This is called stopping station. This is where the 3210s bought. They're getting stopped out here. These are where the 32s bought. They're getting stopped out here. So this is where you want to tap it. Okay? Be slow, patient. 3170 right here. Slow and steady. Nice and patient. This is where you're entering your position. Goes higher, we add a little bit. Liking that. Very, 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 very much. That's what we do. We just tapped it. Just like that, just bam. Just hit it, I ain't coming in like a wrecking ball. Just tapping it. Just tapping it. Right, just tapping the little bird. Just like that. Little tap at 72. Little tap at 75. Selling back at 80, 85. That's what we do. Here it goes, 80, 85. Come on now. Right off that. Come on now. Give me my green bar up. Give it to me, baby. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Very profitable today. Like 20 for 20. 20 for 20. Hey, Fly. You like it like I do, but it's not moving today, so we can't trade it. Don't be an analyst. I said that the other day on Crone. Remember? Yeah. Otis, what do you think of the Mojo Room? Would you like to become a member? All members have access to my courses. for free. There, you don't have to pay $2,000 for my course. Just become a member. Yeah, well, you need to take my course. $31.80. What don't you understand about that? Sold $31.84. What don't you understand about that, Otis? $31.89. Right here, selling again. Sold 88. How do I identify the Twitter box? In Mojo U classes that you're gonna watch. Mojo U course you're gonna watch tonight. You'll never ask me a question ever again. Am I right, Mojo traders? Am I right? Yeah. There you go, dude. Paul just joined. Bohan's been here for 5-6 years, man. He'll tell you. Look, Fly. There you go, dude. You won't ask me one question ever. Ever. You just got to watch the course, dude. 95, boys. 97, boys. 99, boys. 32 Hines. Mojo is the king of the Hines, baby. 32.04 selling, sold. Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Half left. 32.09 sold again. 32.09 sold more. 300 shares left. That was a good trade, man. Alerted at 77. Look at it, it's 32.11. So if your day trading room is not trading Twitter with me right now, all you traders, you guys are just missing the boat. I have been, watched since the beginning of the show, I'm at least 16 out of 16 correct trades in a row on Twitter. I'm 6 for 6 on APOP. Okay? Does it really matter if you want to look in my wallet and see what kind of credit card I have? Are you kidding me? There's no commissions when you trade. Those savings could be paying you a subscription to the Mojo chat room where you're getting my picks in there and you're interested in only making yourself money, filling out the trading sheet with all these amazing Twitter trades and APOP trades. That's the name of the game. There is no other game. There's only people that don't have accounts anymore, that are blown up, that are on social media, that don't have a job, that are just looking to put and point the finger at somebody, which will in turn give them bad karma the next time they come around the block and revisit the trading and they bashed all the traders. Dude, do you know when you drive down the block and you're like on the Harley and you give the finger down to the guy going across the other way on the other Harley or the other motorcycle? It's like you're on the same team, man. You don't go driving by and going like this, F you, because you got a crappy bike or he has a nicer bike or he's with a nicer crew. Give me a break, man. Anybody who does that's under 30 years old, most probably. Twitter is not volatile at all today. I don't see it volatile at all. Not at all. I think it's perfect. I think it's perfect. It's very predictable. I think it's very predictable. Yeah, Alan's been here for so long, dude. Pays his money every month, makes his money every month. He sold a multi-million-dollar insurance business to become a professional day trader. He's been doing it for 10 years now, 11 years now, and first year or two was unsuccessful until he met me. And then from there, it's all history, man. Look, the whole room's cringing in APOP right now. Oh, man, it ain't moving. Why can't I get my money out and trade something else? Holy crap. Damn. Because Mojo, freaking, you don't come in like a wrecking ball, man. You come in like a wrecking ball and you know how to do the trades. You're gonna be killing it like that. Look. Gonna get a pop on Twitter right now, boys. Here we go. Popping on APOP. Both of them. Look, both of them are doing amazing. 342 by 3 on APOP. There's our sale at 340. They're going to take you. We're selling here. Sold 344 on APOP. APOP sold from stopping station 327. So we sold it 344 part. Thank you very, very much. Trading amazing today. Thank you for watching me on my Mojo show, guys. If you like it, I got some people watching now, like 2. If you can give me a like on the 2 people that are watching now, that would be great. Would appreciate that. I'll say hello to you too. Appreciate it, see? In between my trading and stuff. See, as soon as I said you were an analyst on work at 50, it jumped up 20 cents, dude. See that? 72 now. APOP's 50. There's 52. They're chasing APOP again. They just, mini Hines that's selling here, get flat on APOP. Flat. We sold all our shares. The room is flat on APOP. No more. We killed it on that. 354, 359. We killed it. If Ross doesn't do a video today, that means they lost on it, and he knows, and he's watching my show, and he's not going to make a video maybe for the first time. Because they traded that. They lost on that. They lost on that for sure. That's why he doesn't show his room when he does his trading videos. He only shows himself. I only show my room. I only show what hundreds of traders are making rather than what I'm making. He shows, and other traders show what they're making rather than what hundreds of other traders are making, and hundreds of other traders are paying for the service. It just doesn't make sense. It just doesn't make sense. But that's the name of the game. I'm happy with my team. I got my little team. Mojo's happy.
What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to do the crypt.
That's what you call bad ass. That's what you call bad ass. Oh, JB, you get him, Keith.
For learning the crypt, the tricks you're going to want to already know how to do are basically just the air
rally, baby.
Air rally. Head on over to my tutorial on the channel for it. It should help you out a lot. But yeah, basically, if you know wakeboarding, mathematics, putting these 2 tricks together shouldn't be that hard. The approach for the crypt is pretty much going to be exactly the same as the air rally. So yeah, you're just going to want to cut towards the inside of the cable, and after you have flattened off and coasted for a second, that's when you can start slowly setting back on edge. And for this edge, you're going to want to do about a medium hardish edge towards the outside of the cable. After you're all set up and have the right edge towards the outside of the cable, you're going to want to start thinking about your scoop. So as soon as you pass under the cable and have gone just towards the outside of it, that's where you're going to want to scoop. Make sure you don't wait too long and and go too far on the outside of the cable. Otherwise, you're going to lose a lot of pop. For your scoop, it's going to be exactly the same as the air railing. You're just going to do that reverse Nike check motion. You're going to take that front foot and start scooping it out in front of you, and then you'll follow with your rear foot and just kind of make sure your board is perfectly flying out straight behind you as you would on a normal railing. One thing I do see where people make a big mistake a lot is when they actually stargaze their railing for the crip, so they start doing the 180 super early off the water. I find this actually really bad technique. I think it's a much better idea to do a perfect railing where your board is level and parallel to the water instead of letting your front foot drift out way behind you, because later on down the road, it's going to make it really, really hard for doing like a 3-1-3 or something like that. So really try and do the railing first, and then you can start thinking about the crip. Now that you're in a perfect railing position and your board is parallel with the water, you're going to start bringing this railing down, but instead of pulling the handle down straight to your hips to bring it back underneath you, you're going to want to sort of pull this handle down, but over towards your rear hip. And on the way down, about halfway, you can start letting go of your rear hand and start getting over your toes, spotting the water below you, bend your knees on impact, and just right away switch.
You like flying. Look at that.
Once again, I'll just...
That's beautiful. He's a great instructor. Thank you, JB, for showing us that amazing, amazing display of talent. Love it. Kind of like what Mojo just did with Twitter at 3230. People are making money with the Mojo systems. They don't necessarily have to trade what I'm trading. They're using my systems on stocks that they like and identify and they're more comfortable with, like in the room, BJ. BJ says he bought 2,000 shares for $734. That was just an Roku. Mr. Pro Trader Otis to the room, baby. Look at that. He makes a good move. He told me I want to join, so I'm just going to make him Pro Trader Otis. Done. Bam. And you got to change your avatar picture for something really good, Otis. Right here. To change that avatar picture. Right here. Bam. So he made beautiful $734. Heinz in Roku, baby. Roku through 127, 128, and 129. It's a beautiful move for Mr. BJ. And beyond, making a move, 150, 101, 101.50. Saywin, talk to me. Where are you? Saywin, talk to me. Saywin, where are you? Talk to me. Trend trade, 100 shares at the entry, dude. There is no plan. That's the trend trade, bro. No harm, no foul. Watch the beginning. 25 shares left at 99.08. You're going to let it ride. You are the man. Didn't I tell you that this was going to happen today? Exactly like it happened last night on the text. Didn't I tell you that? I told him, dude, don't worry. He's like, I fucked up. I'm going to show him your text if you don't mind, okay? He would have had a sleepless night. Let me ask you if it's worth. And I have a special now for $99 a month that you could join. Okay, look. Pro Trader, and that's him. Okay? Guys, you have my number. Look, you want to text me? You guys want to text me your problems? You want to text me your problems? Look. Call me. Call Pro Trader Mike. at 1-561-716-3858. Tell me what you have. I'll buy, sell, or hold. I'll help you with your problems. Get you going the Mojo way. Because that's what I do. So let me show you right here, Mr. Saywin. Part of me feels like I got a good cause. The other part feels like a degenerate gambler for holding overnight. So if you guys feel like this, at 5:49 yesterday, I had to leave at 3 o'clock. I couldn't stomach the loss. So I put it on the ask and said, F it. I'll let it ride and take my $500 auto close. Or that's how you feel sometimes, you know? Or I'll hold it overnight. And there's his trade. He has 200 shares of Beyond at 99.08. Right there. He made money on the other trades, and there's his position. And my advice to him was this. Now, this is worth me to help you sleep at night, beyond coaching and everything like that. APOP, 327 to 32. 327 to 32. It's up in the after hours. It opens tomorrow. Just leave it for now. You get even. Just leave it for now. You even have it. Touches 100. It may Heinz and go to 111. With the other money you have in there, you could trade. You're fine. May open and go to 102. And then go to 107 at first. It went to 101.75. Great plan. I like it. And it's nice up in the after hours. Yeah, you had 161 shares because they lowered. You're only allowed 2-to-1 overnight. So they lowered your shares to reflect equity of 2-to-1 overnight. Do you understand? That's why your shares went from 200 to 161. Patience is the key. Shorting Cat yesterday, knew after they didn't inject everything with a $1,200. I knew when Pa held to the yeah, baby. Good job, BJ. Are you trading more through the Heinzes on those, BJ? Or are you just random? Nice job, Mr. Saywin. I'm glad I helped you. Joe, nice. Otis, welcome to the team, buddy. Let me know when you join so I can look. Yep, that was Jack on YouTube right now. That was his text to me last night. So if you're a moderator, you can't get in touch with him, he can't help you like I'm helping my traders, then what's the real value? You know, he's a good stock picker. He has scanning software. Give me a break, man. Twitter. Nah. It just came off again. If you missed it, it went to 77 to back to 95. Great trade on Beyond, up $2.50. I'm so happy for you, Saywin. The old you would have, this is what the old you would have done. The old you would have sold for a loss. Then you would have rebought the open. It dropped. You would have sold for a loss again. Then it rises. You hesitate. And it goes through 100 to 102 without you. Because you're scared now. That used to be you. Am I right? Am I right? That used to be you. And if that's like other guys out there that have that, you need to come to the Mojo chat room and engulf yourself in the system and the room. Played poker yesterday. It was real nice. We revitalized the Mojo Poker Club. Really nice. Really nice. I just gave you the link, dude. You go to this page right here, and you click on the button on that page. Did you do that? To join, guys, you go to here, mojodaytrading.com/special, and there's a button on there for $99. Up $15.54 in an hour. Who needs 8 to 10 hour job? I thought it was 9 to 5. I thought it was 9 to 5. Thanks for the testimonial there, brother. I like it. Thank you, sir. Everybody making money in the Mojo room. Beautiful. Stocks we trade today, Twitter. Beyond. Beauty on Beyond, huh? A-pop. You coming to Florida, BJ? Hell no. All right. Not that bad, dude. Ramey's here, I'm here, Alan's here. Not too hot. It's getting cooler now, bro. Getting cooler now, kid. Oh, I got your payment, Mr. Otis. Nice job, kid. All right, Twitter time. Signal at 86. Let them drive it lower. We'll catch it through that signal on the way back up. Right here, 3182 stopping station. These are from this right here. So these guys were patient, are getting stopped out right here. You see them? All these. It's going to come down one more right here, and we're going to catch it. Watch. Okay? Watch. This is going to be a beauty trade. Beauty trade. Perfection. It's so perfect because it went to 32.25 and 35. There's a lot of stop outs in here on a lot of volume. It came right to the bottom down here on that and that. That's pretty sweet, right? You got like a here and here, right? And there you go, baby. That baby, that's the bus. We're going to take the bus back up. I think she's riding on some good ground right there, man. Very little risks and good reward right there. Let's catch the dump. We want the dump. Come right down to that and right, see that? That's where we're entering. That's Mojo entry. See that? Taking it right there. Give pain. Pain for the people that have bought here. Pain for the people that bought there. Pain for the people that bought there. And who thought it was the bottom here. We're coming in here. And we're going to take your pain. That's what we're going to do. All right, tap it again right now. 890 on Crone, really? No, it's not. It's 898. Holy crap. Holy crap. I don't wait for that. Right here is fine. Tap. Tap, tap, tap. Signals in the Mojo. 3159 right there. Nailed it. Twitter. 3159. CLSD's a swing. Let's take a look at the swing, shall we? Oh, pretty nice. CLSD high at 99 today. But I put out new swing picks. I put out ADMP. put out GBTC. And I put out, here's the swing. Otis, welcome, buddy. Ah, Kahootsie's here. Just had to answer an email from somebody. All right, Twitter time. Now. Oh, what a gift. What a gift. I'll take that whole range. It's too fast. You just got to take that whole range. A lot of crappy emails. New comment on Mojo University. New comment, Mojo U. Adamus GBC and NLS. Huh? Here it goes back up. Here it goes, 31.42. Sell. Sell up here. Here's the move back up. You can see it. We bought right off there. I like this little box right here. We'll trade it in this little box. I got no problem with that. Nice job. 42, 43, 44. Done. Who are you? 44. CETX, absolutely, dude. Check that out for you. 158 making a little spike. Nice, dude. But it's only got 497 and it's red for the day, so I gotta pass, bro. I gotta pass. It ain't not doing nothing. Keep your eye on something different. I don't think it moves. It's not up. $48 on Twitter, 49. Good job on Twitter. UVXY, Heinz 21. Risk 3. Reward 30. 10 to 1. 3 month for BJ on the Twitter pick. With all the money you're making, dude, you gotta tip the dealer, dude. You gotta tip the dealer. You don't say, dude, I made so much money in the casino, yeah, you can get the free room, but you gotta leave the tip with the dealer. I'm the dealer, dude. Gotta leave the tip with the dealer. Oh, that was from Premarket. You're profitable now. Wow, that's sweet, brother. $147 profit and you got 25 shares left. Beautiful, dude. Proud of you, bro. And you got 100 you guys at 72. What's that at? That's at 55. You can buy another 100. Buy another 100, 51 to 55 on you guys, and then sell it back up. I think you're fine there, no problem. No problem. The room loves you too, buddy. It's a great place to be every single day. Who's Tula? I don't know who Tula is. Oh, there's Tula. Let's see who Tula is. Trying to help me. Ah, that's you. Okay, Mike. Gotcha. So Tula is pro trader. Pro trader Tula. I know you now. Welcome, pro trader Tula. Nice. Welcome to the game. Nice. Thank you for watching my YouTube, my Twitch, and my streaming, guys. GBTC is moving a little bit. Swing pick. Went to 75. GBTC is looking pretty good. Amazing how these shares die with volume. Isn't it amazing how SCS has no volume? You're on the server, dude. We do everything in the day trading chat room, folks. Here comes A-Pop. I've been waiting so long. Nice, BJ. You're the man, bud. Have a good day. Nice work. We're waiting. Nice job on Twitter, 55. Look at Twitter as a gonzo. 2 million. 2 million came in. 2 million, dudes. Right here in the 50s. A 2,000 on the bid. Right there. 2,000. He showed us by accident. Showed it by accident on the bid. Going lower. Just wait a minute. Wait a second. Big size on the bid. Just wait a second. It was a 2,000 right here at 55. And now he's getting filled. He flashed it. He forgot to hide it. That's what happened. And I saw it in the level too. If it was on the right side, we would have bought all in. I think it would be at 80 now. AT&T is looking really nice on the daily right here. You know what I'm saying? Work is at Heinz. Do it. Don't hesitate. This is what we've been waiting for, dude. Don't you hesitate. See that? That's nice, guys. That's AT&T. For a swing and covered calls. Any of you guys like to do that? AT&T is good here for that. I like it at $36.98. Sell the $37 covered call. Nailed that work down there. Freak, ever since he said 25th, I called him an analyst. The thing's been running. You know what I'm saying, Fly? I think you did that before right here. Pro Trader Fly. Did a C2. I know, he did a C2 on it right there. And I freaking journaled it. Every time I've done that, it works with these guys. Heinz 21, there you go. Nice job, Saywin. See, Saywin's in training, coaching in the first month, so I'm working together with him. I know what he's got going on. BJ2. All these new traders, man. Once I get him going, take off the wheels, he's on his road, bro. On his way, dude. Some training now. See, this is me and Saywin when we were in the store yesterday. This was me and you in the store yesterday, Saywin. That's me. There you come. So here's me and Saywin. There's me. Here comes Saywin. Hey, buddy. See, that was us in the store yesterday. He's in training. I'm walking, and he's training, man. He's in the car. There he is. Hey, Saywin. Look, that's me. There he is. Hey! It's funny. Nice Hines on work. Nice job through 21, Saywin. Made good money today, dude. Coming in your own. New high, 2106. 8 pop headed down lower. There you go, 333, 332. Here we go. These are all the people that pray at 355, the last time they took us out, that it was going to go higher, and they didn't. Phil, 328, 329. Holy 336, what a jump back up. Whoa. Whoa. Work, 2107. Nice job, Saywin. How many you got left? How much you up? Give me a heads up. 96, beautiful. In a rail grind, just keep her in rail, keep her in rail. Under rail would be about right around here. Right around your cost probably would go under rail, so just keep it at your cost. And it should continue to the right. Just keep it above right around here. Yeah, that's a beauty. And just keep it like right around there for the rest, and you're good to go. You're good to go on that. Right there. Bobo Snare, he's tired. Bobo Snare, he's tired. All right, guys, thank you. This was a great day, filled with all kinds of greatness for the Mojo and the team. It's the way it's supposed to be. Let's see what else I could share that I found last night. Found this GTA tick. Let me show you this, guys. This is a pretty good one, too. Let me show you this. This is GTA tick. This was on October 13th of 2014. The same systems apply 5 years later. Now we're looking at the level 2, and there's a signal at 60, a 461 and a 111. It's right there, the signal. And it's 8:33 and 23 seconds. It's traded 1 million shares, so plenty of volume. And then you buy the 60. It goes 60 by 61. 15 minutes later, Mojo's cost is 58. Testing the ask at 64 to see if it gets undercut. So I put out at 64. It gets undercut to 63, so I sold at 62 and made $400. And you could see all the 62s sold in 20 minutes. Not bad for a pre-market trade at 8:30 for a good start of the day. Now let's heat the coffee and do it again. And Mojo rule, always sell into the surge. Never be greedy. See, the stock is now 59. You missed it if you didn't follow the rules. And you can always get a better print when the market opens than you could in the pre-market. So you got to be in and out. And I've been teaching that for 5 years, folks. It's exactly the same as it is now. Right, guys? Yep. Right there. Time stamped. I didn't Photoshop that crapola. No.
No
Photoshop.
No. For the last time, no.
No photoed.
No.
No. No photos. 101 on Beyond, bro. Beautiful. I'm so happy for Saywin today on his trading. Beautiful. Beautiful. 101 and change. There's the man today. Doesn't it feel like a Friday, dude? Like you just want to be done right now after today and go into the weekend, and it's like enough is enough. What the week for 3 days seems like it's 5 for a trader. Ask Saywin, he'll tell you he's exhausted. He's exhausted, dude. Mojo puts you through the boot camp, dude, through the training boot camp, dude. You're like, oh my gosh, dude. You're like, whew. Like if he was a dog, this would be him at this point this week. If he was a dog, but he's not. But if he was, this would be him right here. Come on, doggy. It didn't load. Come on now. I'll have to redo it. Because it was funny, dude. It's crap. Funny as crap. Not deleting. Otis joined. Look. Thanks, Otis. I'll send you an email. And you'll get into the courses. That welcome page you got sent to should have it. What about that welcome page? Did you read it? Shows you how to do it on there. Otherwise, I didn't do good enough. Let me send you this email. And you can check her out. Put you in a van. Otis just joined Mojo U. You're a step ahead of me, dude. User. Refresh your page. I'll tell you when. Online day trading course is your first stop of action. With the toolbox. Done. Refresh. Refresh. $30 times. I'm live now. Nice. Good. You hear me on the voice? Nice. Tula, you're fine. 330 bid. There you go on that A-pop. Those guys hating it today. Hating it. Hating the action today in any other room but the Mojo room. Welcome, Otis. Thanks for joining Mojo University. Listen, watch the October 2017 course first before any of the other ones, and leave a comment in the sections below each of the videos on what you thought about the course. That would be most appreciated, my friend. So go do these first. October courses right there. When you get into Mojo U, that's the bottom class, October 2017. Do that one first. Thank you. Yep, do that one first. And the Mojo course is 100% free for all traders, included with all memberships. Nice job today, guys. So I think we're heading into wave theory today. People should be taking their profits, taking what they have. I think it's break time. Yeah, it's my Halloween deal. A-pop, here it is, time. Now, I knew it. That was an auto close. It swifted down. They swooped it in one shot. Take it. Take it. Told you, auto close bar. Over margin. Look at that freaking dump. The whole room lost their shirt. Let's take it right here. Right here. 307, guys. In. Filled. Filled 307. Take 308. Take 309. Great job. That's an auto close. This is an auto close trade play. It may even go under 3. It's an auto close. It means people are getting stopped out by their brokers. They're over margin. So is your broker trading against you? Right now he is. We're going to come in and take your stock here at 302 to 307. Okay? That's what we're going to do. Here's what we're doing to you right now. You're getting stopped out by your broker right here. I did this one in 2017. This stock right here went up huge in the beginning, and you see how they dumped it down, and then right here on the bottom with this 3-part scale in right here. This is where we scaled in, and it went right back up from 179 to 193. It's called the auto close. It's when you're margined too much and such a loss, your broker closes your position. It happens automatically with a lot of prop traders as they set a loss limit for the day. $500, that's the most the broker will let you lose. So when it reaches that threshold of loss, the system automatically sells the shares for you. You can see a clear, fast movement of sells in the time and sales with an exaggerated move on the chart displayed by a huge red bar down. This is the chance to scale and slow and catch the stopping stations for a dead cat bounce back up. And that's exactly what just happened right here. This is the auto close. Here's the bounce back up right here, and Mojo's going to sell right into this range. This is your auto close. This is where you got hurt. So if you lost money and you got stopped out there, I could have told you that up here or back here. Mojo's in, taking your pain at 302 to 307. We're in 302 to 307. Here's another example of the auto close right here. The auto close trade play. I got it right here on down at 11, and the stock went to 55 on AQXP. It was just another one. Epic, epic lesson. Oh, beautiful. Look at it bounce right back up, huh? Look at that thing bounce right back up. Mojo got that auto close on the 2-minute. It was an exaggerated bar followed by the initial sell. We came in right here on the auto close, and we're going to sell it right here. So it's a 1, 2, 3 kind of operation right there. On A-pop. Are you getting destroyed? We're not. I'll take your A-pop pain. Filled long at 07. For an auto close. There it is. That's what I was looking for. All right, we'll take your pain at 307. Work did nice. 2118 new high on work. 2118 new high on work. I'm not doing screen share right now because I forgot this morning. I'm just doing the Mojo show. So I apologize for the traders that don't have my screen share. But some of the most successful traders in the room, Alan and a lot of the seasoned pros, do not use my screen share. I'll show you right here. There's a message from Pro Trader Mouse to me on 1016. I'm listening to you on the microphone. I don't use the screen share. I never have, and I don't need it. The lessons you've taught me are priceless still to this day. He's been with me since 2014. I've held back from chat here for some time as I'm always behind the scenes. This week was a record week for me on Vive. I had the confidence to get 100,000 shares below 4 and sold them for over 9 and made well over $1 million. Yes, correct. On your picks, SCS, then WWR, then BIMI, then DTSS, and now VIVE long with BNGO. I'm saying thank you again. So don't worry if I don't have the screen share on one day. Work 2123, new high, Mr. Saywin. Great job. Great job, Mr. Saywin. You have 200 shares of you guys? It just went up to 60. You bought the dip. Did you sell it back up? Your average was around 60, right? You have 100 shares at 72. If you would average down like I told you right here, right there, like 20 minutes ago, it's gone up straight since then, and you could have broke even. But that's okay, big deal. BRP Group looks like an IPO. $17.30 headed through $17.50. The high is $17.65. The symbol is BRP Group. BRP Group. BRP Group. BRP Group. Could go to 18. BRP. Nice. Made 1,000 just in Twitter. Nice, dude. Electricity went out and he still made $1,000 trading the twit. Nice job. Nice job. Really nice job. Like that a bit. $40.45. Looking at 50. Patrick, the truth about day trading small caps.
Secret today. We're talking about small caps. Why do small caps do what they do? Why do they go up 1,000%?
Why do they do what they do, what they do, what they do? Because the front runners and the retail guys jump all over it with the small float and the ching, 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 ching. Because you should be in stocks with Mojo. Screw them damn small stocks. Screw them damn small stocks. Them small stocks suck, man. You got to be in picks like this, BRP 1780, 90, and freaking jumping like a Jehovah frat. You know what a Jehovah frat is? That's what this thing is right there, boys. Got to be jumping like a Jehovah frat. How do you spell that? Jehoshaphat. Is that even a word? A jumping Jehoshaphat. I think I did that once before. Isn't that a word? Like a jumping Jehoshaphat? I think so. No, it's not a word. How about jumping profit? Jumping profit frat. That's a good word. Jumping profit frat. How about that? Trove and rail grind. Look at you, Nathan. Woohoo, he's skiing in the rail grind, kid. Look at you go for a Heinz $2 Trovagen. You're the man. Thank you. Long $2 Heinz. Thank you, Nathan. Rail grind, $2. Thank Nathan for this one, because this thing could really make a Trovagen. Thank you, Nathan. You're the man. $2. Dude, Nathan's good, dude. He recognizes the power of the Heinz, and what happens? 203, 204. Heinz. You think the stock wouldn't Heinz, dudes? What are you, crazy? You think you were going to show me a Heinz that didn't work? What, are you out of your mind? What, are you out of your minds? Great job, guys. That's what we do. That's what we do. What we do in the Mojo room. What we do in a Mojo room.
Yes. Yes.
Dude, I need more coffee.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Well, yes.
I need more coffee. And you gotta sell quick. As soon as you say in your mind, oh my, look at that thing go through. Wow, that was your signal to sell. And if you miss it, it goes lower, just like it did. See? 194. We sold it at $2 and above. That's how you do it. Profit's a profit, guys. No greed. I've gone on this video. You can check timestamps out. At least 30 out of 30 trades correct today. It's 11 o'clock. Started at 8:45. You could back test every trade that I've called out against the systems that you have and the other rooms and picks that you're getting, and you decide if you'd like to spend your hour or two each day like we do in the Mojo room making bank. And I'm not making bank. You're all making bank. Making the bank. Let's see what we got for that. Banking. That's what we do. That's how we do it. So if you like what I do, subscribe to the channel. Come join the chat room. Follow me all over the place. And I'll see you on the next show. Because listen, that's what we do, baby.